Hi, this is Walter of BMC Tactical, and we're going over the Enhanced ACR from Bushmaster. We just got one of these in today. They've been very hard to get. People have been waiting a long time for this rifle to come out, so I'll just give you a quick basic overview of the Enhanced ACR. You've got a 6-position collapsible stock that also folds to the side. Comes with mag pull, M-bus, front and rear backup sights. One 30-round mag pull PMag. It has a quad rail fore-end, gas piston system with quick interchangeable barrel, Blue Force sling, and a carry case.